Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Shiba Inu on Shibaswap. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type shibaswap.com. This will land you on the official Shibaswap website where you are going to see a bunch of different options. Now, among these options, you are going to see the stake token option as well. But before clicking on stake tokens, you first have to connect your wallet. Now over here, in order to connect it, you are going to see this connect wallet tab in the top right hand corner of the screen. Here you can connect your MetaMask wallet or your wallet connect or your Coinbase wallet. So among these wallets, you just have to select MetaMask. After that, the MetaMask pop-up will open in front of you where you will have to press next and then you need to press connect. As you can see over here, it is showing me that please connect to the appropriate Ethereum network. So you need to make sure that you have selected Ethereum network in your MetaMask wallet. Otherwise, it won't work. So you will have to open your MetaMask and then you will have to click on this top left hand corner. After that, you will have to select Ethereum and this way it will connect successfully. Then you will have to click on stake tokens. After that, you need to click on buy SHIB. Now over here, you will have to enter the amount of Shiba Inu that you want to stake. Once done, you will have to click on the approve button. You need to make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet because you need to pay the gas fees as well. You can even stake 25%, 50%, 75% or 100% of the Shiba Inu over here. So once you click on approve, you will be shown a pop-up of confirmation where you will have to click on the confirm button for approval, and this way you will be able to stake Shiba Inu on Shibaswap. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.